Welcome in the Dying Light the Beast game, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to highlight the high level enemies in this game, so stay with me and watch the full video. As the first step, you have to open the settings. To do it, press the O button on your keyboard or just move your mouse over here and open options. Now move to the HUD section and scroll down to enemies. As the first option, you will see high level enemy indicator. It indicates enemies whose level surpasses the players. So this indicates if you will beat the enemy easily or not, if you will have a almost impossible challenge while defeating the enemies that are high level as you are. So you can leave it on or off, depends on your preferences. I like to see if I can fight with some enemies. So that would be all for this video. Hope you like it, leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!